Anyway, so I'm pretty much just explaining what all of us did in Michigan, so just bear with me. So what we had 3 sites, Site A, Site C, Site D, and 3 different parts of the course. And what we did was we used a frame that was a meter by meter quadrat, and we had a post at each site, a metal pole, that we went north, south, east, and west from that pole, and we laid the quadrat down and identified all the vegetation and the quadrat, and we recorded that. Then we, from our post, we took a 10-meter diameter and identified every tree species and took the diameter as well. And after we did this for each site, we took it back to the classroom where we made spreadsheets. And from these spreadsheets, we identified the forest quality index, which is how loyal the plant was to the habitat it lived in. And why we did it? We did it to, well, they want to, I guess, monitor the vegetation and the growth of those areas. So 5 years from now, I believe Jennifer said, they will go back and do the same thing we did and see how it has changed. Steve?
That's based on the different testing you guys conducted. What could you tell about the forest?
Well, not really based on the test, but based on the history that we went over. When we did the test, we saw that the land had changed because we looked at maps from like the 60s, and the type of soil it was supposed to be, it wasn't necessarily all that one makeup like they said it was because of,
And you found that out how?
well, it was a conclusion drew between the map and the test. So,
Test
yeah.
function. What else could you tell? What did you test?
We took samples of trees to see how old the trees, well, about how old the trees were. And the soil samples were to see the variation between the different types of soils. So, yeah.
So you could tell the relative age of the forest based on the soil testing and the trees and other things?
I don't know exactly through the soil. I'm not sure why we did the soil testing, but through the trees, yes.